At Hinto, we decided to create a very simple tool, new tool, that you can use for free on web because we've seen your struggle with trying to actually extract images from and pull still images from any video clip that you're uploading. Sometimes the needs aren't that structured, but actually you really need those images. Whether you're a creator and you're trying to pull the right still image as a reference, or you are in the marketing department and you want an image from one of those videos that was shared from your creator team, or you're thinking about maybe doing something and you want a still image from one of those YouTube videos you have lying around at home and you want to actually pick out a still frame. The problem is extracting those still images is really complicated from video if you don't have a specific tool that you want to use, a professional tool that you buy for extra money. And the default tools that we have built into your Windows or Mac, they're basically not designed to basically capture the full richness of a screenshot. Usually, especially on Windows, they are actually watered down, so you don't get the full quality of the image, and so it becomes really messy and tedious. Plus, you might have videos that are in 4K or that are super long, and we've built the tool to work locally for free through your browser. So no data ever goes, no videos get uploaded to any servers. They just stay within your browser and they're really easy to use. And so I'd like to show you how to use them now. So for example, here's the tool itself. At the very top, here's the tool. All you do is you tap Browse File, and these are two quick, simple ways for how to use them. And I'm going to select this video of a surfboard company called Lind, and they're one of their promotional videos. And so you can see this video is 5 minutes long, and it uploaded instantly because it's not going to a server. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll through to the right portion of the video, and I'm going to basically say capture, and I've captured it in PNG, and we also support JPEG as well. So I'm going to capture another image, and then another one, and one more at the end. So this is great. That's it. I'm done. So what I do next is I tap download, and the image gets saved to my computer. If I want to go quicker, I can just tap download all, and all of the images will get saved automatically. I can do the same thing with JPEG. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to say change video, and I'm going to go to a different folder and pick out another video that I have. This is an extract from a promotional video that we did for YouTube using Screen Studio, and I just need a few reference shots for a few YouTube B-roll sort of images. So I'm going to tap capture frame. I'm going to get another one and another one here, and then that's it. I'm done. It was all done locally. Nothing happened. You don't need to pay for anything to do this, and that's it. You have your images. They're extracted from your stills, and again, these can be any length. They can be particularly in terms of actually formats. You can basically go, I'm going to show you this right here. So you can go in terms of JPEG and PNG for output, and then we support a variety of inputs from the very beginning. So you can do MP4, MOV, WebM, AVI, and MKV files. And so if you want to actually use the full product, you can, and you can try it for free. And so Hinto, what it does is it creates structured content from your videos. So on top of the screenshot capability, you can actually create knowledge-based articles, blog posts, internal workflows. You can map them. All you do is you upload a video, and then Hinto does everything automatically. It extracts the images. You can then take control and overlay it with basically annotations and crop zones and things like that for the images, but then you have your documentation ready to go, or blog posts if you need to. So I'm going to leave the link in the description below for the actual tool, but you can also find it just directly through hintoai.com, and then you'll find our set of tools, and you can use this one for free, and many others that we have that we're releasing today.